Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor which keeps saying DP has no signal. So here are fixes for your cable, input source, GPU as well as driver. Fix 1. Check the DisplayPort cable. Turn off your computer and monitor. Unplug the port cable from both the devices. Check the cable for damage. Firmly reconnect the cable to the monitor and the computer. Turn the monitor and the computer back on. Fix 2. Select the correct input source. Press the joystick or menu button on the monitor. Open the input source menu. Select DisplayPort. Exit the menu and check for a picture. Fix 3. Restart the computer. Turn off the computer. Wait for 30 seconds. Turn the computer back on. Check if the monitor detects the signal. Fix 4. Try a different display port. You can turn off the computer, disconnect the DP cable, connect the cable to another display port on the graphics card if available, turn the computer back on and test the connection. Fix 5. Test another cable. Disconnect the current DP cable, connect a different display port cable, turn on the monitor and the computer, check if the signal is restored. Fix 6. Check the graphics card connection. Turn off the computer, make sure the monitor is connected to the graphics card and not the motherboard. If your PC has a dedicated graphics card, reconnect the cable securely, turn the computer back on. Fix 7. Power cycle the monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable, wait for 1 minute, plug the power cable back in. Turn on the monitor and check for any signal restore. Fix 8. Update graphics driver. Open the graphics card, software or device manager on your computer. Check for driver update. Install any available updates. Restart the computer and test the monitor. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.